trade I sent you around 140, the spring that essentially rolled over.
140. Let me get there.
It's where we made a new session low. It tries to recover, and
Oh, right over here. Yeah.
yeah. So how would you even enter a spring if, like, ideally you're trying to get involved once that low is recovered? Um, should there be a different approach maybe?
No, I mean, I think that's pretty much spot on. The challenge with some of these is that we really have to look at the width of the risk point. And so if the risk is going to be too wide here, sometimes what I'll do is I'll actually let that initial move develop and then drop like super low time frame, like 15 or 30 second, and then let just a little higher low develop, like right at, like say this blipped higher, right? And then now it trades back into 800. I have like a super low time frame hammer right there at 800. That is like a really good entry that I'll still consider within the spring.
Gotcha. Kind of how we had to the left at prior day high at around 11.
Yeah, right there. Like pretty much exactly like that. That's going to
Gotcha.
be an easier trade and way more conviction in it just because we have that actual structure that we can lean on. Now, sometimes it's not gonna develop. It's the spring is just gonna rip, and then you miss it, right? And so this is kind of part of being a trader. Trading is a game of trade-offs, right? So sometimes we want to be more cautious, wait for more confirmation for an entry. Well, that means sometimes we're going to miss really great plays. And it's constantly surfing between these trade-offs and just kind of finding that sweet spot. And there will be times we get it wrong. And that's just how it goes, right?